Hey there, now we're just about to replace the Minnkota battery little sticker over here. This is the little face that usually gets all burnt out by the sun and everything else like mine did. So I'm gonna show you here real quick. What we're just about to do is I'm gonna take this guy out. I'm gonna replace it with this one. I noticed that on this one, I don't know if it's a newer model or an older model, but the Minnkota and everything else, it looks a little bit different. But what really matters is that it works and everything else. That's all that really matters. I'm not sure how I ended up with this one, but I think this one is for like the previous model of it, but it's the same thing. I don't really mind if it looks a little bit different than this one, as long as it looks better or like not burnt up. So anyway, I'm gonna toss it out that way, and what I'm gonna be doing is just taking it all out with the X-Acto knife. It's basically just take it out real quick. All right, that was pretty much it. It's really nothing to it. I'm gonna clean it all out and I'm gonna place a new one. Okay, it's all cleaned up as much as I could. All right, so this is gonna go like this, and it's gonna go in there, kind of like that. All right, so there's a sticky back on it. I'm just gonna take it all out and put it in there. All right, this is the moment of truth. So take it out like this. And just start laying it down little by little. So I cleaned it up with alcohol. Well, that was the last step, but I started cleaning it off with just regular paint thinner, and then just let the all glue just kind of bubble up a little bit, and it just came off just right away. This sticker, it was only like maybe like not even $4. I got all of this stuff from the same place. So over here there's a little bit of, maybe it didn't go all the way down, but it's okay. I mean, for what it costs, I think it's pretty good. So anyway, that was pretty much it. So that's it. Minnkota Tarova, iPilot, Minnkota Riptide. This is the iPilot version of it. I love it. I love it a lot. It went from this ugly to that I guess to that pretty. But anyway, that was pretty good. Well, if you really like this video, just please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. This is an old Minnkota Tarova video series. It's all about this one. I went over there. I went in and did the steering, the lower unit, the wiring. I did pretty much everything. A new one of this, one of these new ones is probably a lot of money. So anyway, thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.